Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your iPhone. First you need to open the Garmin Connect on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. Once you open the app, you should see this screen. Now tap on this icon right here. That should open the device page for your Garmin Epix. If you don't see this icon right here, you can also tap on More. Scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and here select the Epix. On this page, tap on the More Options icon, right here in the top right corner. Then tap on Remove Device, and tap Yes to confirm. As you can see, the Epix disappeared from the list of devices. We can close the app. Now we can also go to the Bluetooth settings. So let's open the settings. Bluetooth. As you can see, we have the Epix right here on the list. Tap on the information icon next to it. Tap on Forget Device, and then tap on Forget Device again, like this. And at this point, our watch is completely unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.